Kentucky is home to a rich tapestry of communities, each offering its own distinct character and lifestyle. From bustling urban centers like Louisville and Lexington to charming small towns such as Berea and Paris, the state provides options for a wide range of preferences. Residents benefit from affordable housing, strong job markets, and vibrant cultural scenes, including renowned events like the Kentucky Derby and the International Bluegrass Music Museum. Educational opportunities abound, with institutions like the University of Kentucky and Berea College contributing to the state's appeal. Scenic landscapes, Southern hospitality, and a commitment to the arts further enhance Kentucky's reputation as a welcoming place to call home. Whether seeking family-friendly suburbs or creative hubs, newcomers can find a community that suits their needs and aspirations. Lexington, often called the horse capital of the world, stands out for its deep-rooted equine traditions and lively cultural scene. The city's rolling bluegrass landscapes are home to renowned horse farms and racetracks, reflecting its global reputation in the thoroughbred industry. Lexington's bourbon heritage is equally celebrated, with local distilleries offering a taste of Kentucky's signature spirit. The presence of the University of Kentucky adds a youthful energy and fosters educational and research opportunities, shaping the city's dynamic atmosphere. Residents and visitors enjoy a blend of historic charm and modern amenities, making Lexington a unique destination for those seeking both tradition and innovation. Louisville stands as Kentucky's largest city, offering residents and visitors a vibrant urban atmosphere. The city is celebrated for its diverse cultural attractions, including art galleries, theaters, and a thriving culinary scene. Louisville is perhaps best known for hosting the Kentucky Derby, an iconic event that draws crowds from around the world each year. Beyond its famous horse race, the city provides a range of housing options and a strong job market. With its blend of historic charm and modern amenities, Louisville appeals to those seeking both excitement and comfort in their daily lives. Bowling Green stands out as one of Kentucky's fastest-growing cities, attracting thousands of new residents in recent years. Renowned for its welcoming Southern hospitality, the city offers a vibrant and friendly community atmosphere. Home to Western Kentucky University, Bowling Green benefits from a lively college town energy and a range of educational opportunities. The National Corvette Museum is a major local attraction, celebrating the city's connection to automotive history and drawing visitors from across the country. Residents enjoy an affordable cost of living and a variety of recreational activities, making Bowling Green an appealing choice for families and young professionals alike. Elizabethtown, often affectionately called E-Town, is known for its welcoming atmosphere and small-town charm. Residents enjoy affordable housing options, making it an attractive choice for families and individuals seeking value. The community is tightly knit, with neighbors looking out for one another and a strong sense of belonging. Clean neighborhoods and a quality school district further enhance its appeal, providing a safe and nurturing environment for children. Elizabethtown's blend of affordability and genuine community spirit makes it a standout destination for those seeking a quieter, yet fulfilling lifestyle in Kentucky. Owensboro, nestled along the banks of the Ohio River, offers residents a picturesque riverfront that serves as the heart of the community. The city boasts an array of recreational opportunities, from riverside parks and walking trails to boating and fishing activities. Cultural amenities abound, with attractions like the International Bluegrass Music Museum and a lively calendar of festivals and events. The revitalized downtown area features local restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues, fostering a vibrant atmosphere. With its blend of natural beauty, active lifestyle options, and rich cultural scene, Owensboro stands out as a welcoming and dynamic place to call home. Paducah stands out as a UNESCO Creative City, recognized for its commitment to craft and folk art. The city is home to the renowned National Quilt Museum, which attracts visitors from across the country and celebrates the artistry of quilting. Paducah's dedication to creativity is further evident in its thriving arts community and numerous galleries. The annual quilt show is a major event, drawing enthusiasts and artists alike. In addition to its visual arts, Paducah boasts a vibrant performing arts scene, with the Luther F. Carson Center for the Performing Arts hosting year-round performances. This rich cultural environment makes Paducah a unique and inspiring place to live. Crestwood is widely recognized for its family-friendly atmosphere, making it an appealing choice for those seeking a safe and welcoming community. The town offers a classic suburban lifestyle, with spacious neighborhoods and well-maintained parks that cater to families and children. One of Crestwood's key advantages is its proximity to Louisville, providing residents with easy access to the city's vibrant cultural scene, diverse dining options, and employment opportunities. Despite its suburban setting, Crestwood maintains a strong sense of community and offers excellent schools, contributing to its reputation as a top place to raise a family. The blend of quiet living and urban convenience makes Crestwood a standout among Kentucky's residential areas. Berea is widely recognized as the folk arts and crafts capital of Kentucky, drawing visitors and residents alike with its vibrant, creative community. The town's historic charm is evident in its preserved architecture and welcoming atmosphere. Berea College, a cornerstone of the community, not only provides educational opportunities, but also fosters a culture of innovation and inclusivity. Local galleries, artisan shops, and annual festivals showcase the town's dedication to craft and folk art. This unique blend of history, education, and artistic spirit makes Berea a distinctive and appealing place to call home. Paris, Kentucky, is a community that embodies classic Southern charm. Its picturesque streets and welcoming atmosphere create an inviting environment for residents. The cost of living in Paris is notably affordable, making it an attractive option for families seeking value without sacrificing quality of life. Public schools in Paris are highly ranked, providing children with excellent educational opportunities. The town also offers a variety of family-friendly activities and events throughout the year. For those looking for a safe, nurturing, and budget-friendly place to call home, Paris stands out as a top choice. Kentucky's top 9 communities each offer distinct advantages, catering to a variety of lifestyles and preferences. Lexington stands out for its vibrant culture, equine heritage, and educational opportunities, while Louisville provides a bustling urban environment with diverse housing and a renowned culinary scene. Bowling Green appeals to those seeking Southern hospitality and a growing job market, whereas Elizabethtown is ideal for families thanks to its affordable housing and strong school district. Owensboro's scenic riverfront and cultural amenities attract those who value recreation and the arts. Paducah is a haven for creative spirits, celebrated for its craft and folk art scene. Crestwood offers suburban tranquility with easy access to Louisville's amenities, making it perfect for families. Berea draws residents with its rich arts culture and historic charm, and Paris combines Southern hospitality with affordability, appealing to new families and budget-conscious individuals. Whether you prefer urban excitement, artistic communities, or small-town warmth, Kentucky's diverse locales provide options for every lifestyle. When deciding where to live in Kentucky, it's important to consider factors such as community atmosphere, affordability, job opportunities, educational resources, and access to cultural amenities. Each city and town offers its own unique blend of lifestyle options, from the bustling urban energy of Louisville to the artistic charm of Paducah and the family-friendly neighborhoods of Crestwood. Whether you're drawn to scenic riverfronts, vibrant arts scenes, or strong school districts, Kentucky's diverse communities provide something for everyone. Exploring these areas firsthand can help you find the perfect fit for your needs and preferences. By weighing these key considerations, you can make an informed choice and discover a welcoming place to call home in the Bluegrass State.